So our nursing students all come here and have their clinical skills labs. The labs are more specific to a task rather than general patient care and kind of putting it all together. So it might be learning how to start an IV. It might be learning how to even just take vital signs. So they learn each component and then they build on those skills through out their time here. So it might be once they've learned what a normal heart sounds like or lung sounds, then they have labs that are more specific to cardiac and cardiac problems. They might have one specific to pulmonary or respiratory. And then when they go into the simulation space, that's where they kind of put all those pieces together. So some of our labs, we might just have task trainers. So those are specific, maybe a specific body part. If they're learning how to do an IV, that's just, or start an IV, it's just an arm that we have. But there are other labs, such as the suture lab for our graduate students, as well as our physician assistant students. They might learn how to do some suturing with pig's feet. So a wide range of things that we might use, everyday types of things, in order just for students to get that experience. We talk a lot about fidelity, so making it feel like it's real. Yeah, I think the students really love learning how to give injections, so that's a big one. They're pretty excited for that, as well as learning how to start IVs. So it's something they are nervous about as far as clinical skills and going out into the clinical setting. So they're excited to learn it. They get lots of time, lots of practice before they would go out into the clinical setting. But I think my favorite part is just watching the students grow. They can make mistakes here. They can practice until they feel comfortable. We really do our best to make sure that we have everything that they need and what's relevant to what they'd find in the clinical setting. So we make sure our task trainers and the supplies that we have are relevant to the clinical setting, that they're up to date, and so they get a wide range of experiences here. It's an amazing place to be, an amazing place to work, and I'm thankful for what I get to do here.